In this video, we'll show you how to replace your lug nuts on this Mercury Grand Marquis between the year ranges of 2003 and 2011. You'll find that you have 5 lug nuts on each one of your wheels. Now let's get started. Before you start removing your lug nuts, make sure you safely raise and support the area of the vehicle that you will be working on. Look along your rocker panel. You're going to find upside down triangles. That indicates where the manufacturer wants you to lift this vehicle. When you do it, make sure you lift it by the steel frame. Once you have the wheels safely raised and supported, continue on to removing your center cover. You'll find that you have a slot that you can stick a small prying device. That exposes all 5 of your 21mm lug nuts. At this point, you can start removing them and replacing them with brand new lug nuts. There it is, friends. All right, now we can continue on to installing our brand new lug nut. We'll take this one and start it on by hand. Bottom it out. Once you replace all the lug nuts like this, get the wheel safely back on the ground and then torque each of the lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds. Torqued. Reinstall your center cover. The process will be the exact same thing for all of your wheels. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.